How to open WeChat account without scanning QR code. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first thing first, let's go ahead and open up our application. Once done, you will see a page like this. Here you have to tap on Login, then tap on More Options at the below page, then tap Help Center. Now at these three given options, you have to tap on Send Feedback. Just as you do so, you will see this page. Now under WeChat Help Center, select the platform, either your device is iOS, Mac, or Android. Under Region, select your specific country. Once done, under Select Categories, you have to select your problem, account registration. Now here choose Assistant Registration. And on the description, you have to type in your problem. Also be noted to be very specific with your problem. Once done, if you have any type of screenshot that you would like to attach, tap on Upload Screenshot and attach it. Once you do so, you can also type in your phone number and email address. Once done, check on this box, then tap Submit. Then you will be contacted via your email regarding your problem. And just like so, that is how you can fix it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.